If you're flying Alaska Airlines in 2026, this quick guide will walk you through the entire check-in process so you can sail through the airport. Let's get into the 10 key points. 1. Check-in window opens 24 hours before departure. You can check in starting 24 hours before your scheduled flight time and up until about 1 hour before. Don't wait until the last minute. Doing it early gives you the best seats and smoothest experience. 2. Use the website or the official Alaska Hawaiian app. Go to alaskaair.com or open the Alaska Hawaiian app. One app now covers both. Enter your last name and 6-digit confirmation code, or just select your trip if you're logged in. This is the fastest and preferred way. 3. Complete check-in and get your boarding pass. Answer the standard security questions, confirm your details, and download or save your mobile boarding pass straight to your phone's wallet. You can also print it if you prefer paper. 4. Add and pay for bags in advance. While checking in online or in the app, add any checked bags and pay the fees right there. This saves time at the airport and lets you skip some lines later. 5. Change or upgrade your seat if you want. Still in the same check-in flow, you can select a different seat or upgrade to premium or first class, subject to availability and any fee. Do this early for the best options. 6. No checked bags? Skip the lobby completely. If you're only carrying on, once you have your boarding pass you can head straight to security. No need to stop at any Alaska counter or bag area. 7. Checking bags. Tag them first. Arrive at the airport, go to a self-service bag tag station, or kiosk. Scan the QR code on your mobile boarding pass, print the tags, and attach them securely to your luggage. Electronic bag tags can skip this step. 8. Drop your bags at bag drop or automated bag drop. Take your tagged bags to a regular bag drop counter or an automated bag drop unit, available at SeaTac, Portland, and San Francisco. At the automated ones, the system scans the tag, optionally verifies your ID with a quick facial scan. Optional, agents are available if you prefer human help, and sends your bag on its way. Bags are only accepted within 4 hours of departure, 3 hours at Vancouver, 2 hours at Calgary. 9. Know the cutoff times so you don't miss your flight. Domestic U.S. Be checked in, and bags accepted if any, at least 50 minutes before departure. International. 60 minutes, 90 minutes from Guadalajara. Hawaii Inter-Island. 30 minutes. You must also be at the gate ready to board 30 minutes before departure. Always check the specific airport guide for recommended arrival times. 10. Need extra help? Use special assistance or a lobby agent. If you couldn't check in online, need special assistance, or traveling with pets, or just prefer human help, head to the special assistance counter or any lobby agent. They'll take care of everything. That's the full Alaska Airlines check-in process in 2026, mostly mobile first, fast bag tagging, and optional automated drops with ID verification. Download the app, check in 24 hours ahead, and you'll be through the airport in no time. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your next destination. Safe travels and see you in the next one.